I'm going to say something now that is going to garner me more enemies in the music. Unina say, where female artists are concerned in dancehall and reggae, it's like we don't have any more straight females representing music. I don't realize that. I don't realize that. I don't realize, say, we don't have any straight female artists left. Everybody shaky. Everybody involved in some form of homosexuality somewhere across the line. I don't realize. I don't realize. If some of them even not sleep with girl, every day them post video with 2 girl, or them post a video with a transvestite where them know say a transvestite, them post them on them page, have straight people like them when you know say them a girl, or them put up video with 2 girl and do them thing, them have video with 2, them have to do something will contribute to homosexuality. Every one of them women here have a key member of them entourage. We're gone. So what you try to tell me say now? Our little daughter them now, we love dancehall and reggae and see these female artists now. When them take them up as them role model now and get inspired by them and see them something here come out now. So the whole of them are lesbian. Or the whole of them into girls. How that work? How that work? So this is the motivation we want for our kids. This is the motivation we want for our daughters and sons. So, who no go tell me, say, who no want the whole of our daughter grow up and sex girl, and who want the whole of our son them get up and sex man if them feel like. As that you no want. That's what we want. That's what we are trying to achieve. That's what we want. And that we are trying to achieve out of reggae and dancehall. Me just want to know if that's the expectation that we want for the future, because people don't understand. You sing a song today, or you come out and say something today that have an effect for next week and next year, next 10 years, next 20 years, next 50 years. You understand what I'm saying to you? It not really work out, you know. So, me see Tanya Stevens. Come here, get more enemies now, right? Me see Tanya Stevens put out, says she support Lila Ike 100%, right? And Jada Kingdom says she support Lila Ike. All of these females who supposedly be damaged goods, supposedly be abused, supposedly hate men, supposedly have a big problem with man, come out in support of Lila Ike. Like, what are you supporting? What are you 100% in support have? Me I want to know. 100% in support of. 100% in support of Lila Ike doing girls. That's what I'm in support of. Because that she has said. Or that she has said. Because me notice the whole I want to take this word abuse and abuse the word abuse. When really and truly, if you come out and tell the people them say, you in the devil posse and you been at the devilish works from a long time. Nobody come act like because Lila Ike get abused. And that you not support. You support so she do girls. That's what you're supporting. Because you do girls too. And you work for Satan a long time. You sing good song, but in real life, you work for Satan a long time. But guess what? Me I work for God. Somebody said she not care them have money and she broke. Alright, they can get a block. No. You are going to get a block. As obviously you love money more than yourself. So you get a block. You're the first person to get blocked from there. No. Understand what me I say now. Nobody can stop somebody from loving who them want. If you want to love the devil, are your choice. If a girl want to love a girl and into girls, a fair business that. Do not come bombard this music and use on a platform to act like you not support females against abuse when I know that you know do. That part them not deal with. Me against abuse, you know. That's why me change how me deal with relationship and how me deal with females in general. If me have a woman now and she start arguing, fight, cuss, I mean verbal, me left her before it reach physical. And I like one time when I talk about love and work it out and yeah, woman end up a fight and a chop up one another and it'll be a thing. We learn. Because we are against violence and abuse to woman, we take away ourselves when woman come with craziness. Because some woman crazy and lead you to be crazy too. So me take away myself. See? Me no want to come here so. I go on like in a support of other females. In a support of other female. In a support of dirty behavior. Nasty demonic act. Not sleep with next girl. That you in support of. You understand what I say? So don't come go on like you don't want to throw the abuse word out there. How about abuse and we in support? You're not in support and nothing can. Lila Ike not talk about nothing more than say she do girls and she do reggae. So what? When you love me, shut up, me do reggae and me do girls. And that's what you in support of. So stop paint the narrative like you know support violence against female. And that's not support. You know support girl asleep with girl. I want to use the abuse card for buying a leeway with the audience. The whole I want to push this gay agenda. Come out and... Alright. Here what I don't like we don't know. Why? If you don't love, sleep with girl. See? If you love sleep with woman, come forward. Tell your fans, turn on your live. So I can't bother that nice and all. Why not back the window? I'm going to have to turn on back the AC and all. Because I want to hear what I say. Turn on your phone. Turn on your live. The Tanya, the Jada, the Lila Ike. I have no name can call but true. Well, she says she is bisexual. So I can call for your name too. And them say it. We have video footage of them say that. Why you don't turn on Instagram? Come out to the public. Tell the public the lifestyle you wanna live within the music. Zin? And then uno alright there, so no one know say the fans them now get deceived. The fans them know who you truly is. And if the fans them choose to support you while you tell them the truth, I feed them business, right? Why don't you do that? Why you can't do that? Why not do that? When you not talk about abuse, or you not talk how you abuse the fans them, you not abuse the fans them, you not sing one thing and I do the next thing. You not sing one thing and I do the next thing. Come out on the platform, telling the fans them, say, listen, I don't want to deceive you. The whole I understand the love on the fans them. So how now wait till trouble on the foot? For now use the abuse card. Why you now wait until trouble there on the foot to pull the abuse card and go on like say you don't want people's sympathy? Why you don't turn on like everybody have them live, you know? See them block me on Instagram, they have a YouTube live. Everybody have them live. You can turn on your live and you can say to your public, listen, I have some things to tell you now. I just say, I don't like men. I like girls. I am with girls and I don't want to see no man. I only want fans that love girls to follow me. Lila Ike, I'm in sympathy with any form of abuse that you have encountered. I am going to re-say that. What I will not stand with you with is the way how you come out with this thing, and the way how you deliver it. The nonchalant behavior there, nah, go work.